let's practice. Roll,
I've always been
down,
the one to say the
boogie,
first goodbye. Had to love and lose 100 million
switch sides,
times. Had to get it wrong to know just what
boogie.
I like.
Remember that, you'll do it a lot later. Reach front and step.
You say my name,
Roll your hips around.
Never heard before.
Back.
I'm indecisive, but this time I know.
Reach for your lover.
I hope I'm not the only one that feels it all. Are you falling?
Throw it away. To your eyes. Step.
You know you can get whatever
Step.
you want
Head.
from me.
To the front.
Whatever you want it, baby.
Dramatic.
It's you and my reflection. I'm afraid of all the things it could do to me. If I would've known it, baby,
Pose.
I would've stayed at home.
Shimmy.
'Cause I was doing better alone. But
Again.
when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home.
Boogie.
'Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I falling in love with
Step.
the one that could
Front
break my
and out.
heart? Oh no.
Boogie.
I was doing better alone.
Switch
But
sides,
when
roll.
you said hello,
Hey.
I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go.
Break my heart.
Am I falling in love
Pull
with
down.
the one that could break my heart?
So good. To the beginning.
I wonder when you go if I stay on your mind. Two can play that game, but you
Bring that
ain't
booty
me
all around
every
town.
time.
Everyone deserves to see it.
Hey, you got me.
Throw.
Center of attention.
Step.
You know you can get whatever
To your head.
you want from me. Whenever you want it, baby. It's you and my reflection. I'm afraid of all the things it could do to me. If I would've known it, baby,
Pose it out.
I would've stayed at home. 'Cause I was doing better alone. But when
Boogie.
you said
No.
I knew that was the end of it all.
Switch
I
sides.
should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go.
Break my heart other way.
Falling in love with the one that could break my heart. Oh no.
Boogie.
I was doing better alone. But when you said hello,
Hello.
I knew that was the end of it all.
Other side last time.
'Cause now there ain't no letting you go.
Break my heart.
Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart?
You just got to Las Vegas.
My heart,
You're one of those showgirls with the big fans.
break my heart.
Wave that fan.
Am I falling in love with the one that could
Pose.
break my heart?
Hit the beat.
I would've stayed at home. 'Cause I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've
This is your last time here. You go as hard as you can.
letting you go. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? Oh no. I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of
How
it
you
all.
doing?
I should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart?
Thanks so much for dancing with us. Check out Dua Lipa's new album, Future Nostalgia. It's everything and more. The official video is right here. And if you want to do 60-minute sweat sessions with us, click right here to join the Booty Army.